my channel. So I was just chilling and then I was like, you know what, I kind of feel like filming and doing this like blacked out smoky eye. I did this look on my friend and it looked amazing on her. I'll insert a picture right here. She looked so good. She normally never wears that much makeup, so it was like a shock to the system when she saw it, but it just looks so good on her. So I just wanted to recreate it on myself. Got a little brunette action, a blonde action with the look. It's just so fun and different, and I like just the pop of blue in the inner corner. I don't know, I'm obsessed with it. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Also follow me on my social media. It's linked down below as well as right here. And without further ado, let's get into the video. I shouldn't do that again. All right, guys, so we're gonna jump right on into the tutorial. I'm gonna be doing a voiceover for the rest of the tutorial just because when it's a look like this, I need to concentrate. And we all know that I can't speak when I film, as you can see in all my other videos. So I think it's just best that I do a voiceover for the rest of it. So let's get into it. Okay, jumping into brows, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in soft brown and then setting that with the Benefit Brow Gel. To go and prime the eyes, I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Almond, just shaping the underneath of the brow and then setting it with a bone shade. Okay, this is where we get a little crazy. So we're going in with black eyeliner, black gel liner. This is Swerve by ColourPop. And you're just going to pat that all on the lid. It does not need to be perfect. And then immediately you want to take a smaller blending brush and blend out the edges so it has no harsh lines. I used a more dense pencil brush and it did not work, so now I'm going in with a more fluffy one and it worked perfectly. And now I'm setting that with just a black eyeshadow from the James Charles palette. Alright, now I'm picking up a dark brown shade and a fluffy brush and just blending that out further. And then from there, I'm going to be picking up a lighter brown shade and diffusing that even further up into the brow bone. So we're kind of going backwards than what we would normally do in an eye look. Now just intensifying the black again just to make sure it's super dark. So blending is super key in this look. You just want to constantly make sure you're going in, blending everything really nicely so it's just very seamless and not messy. And we're going to add a little bit of sparkle and drama to this, as if it needs any more. But I'm picking up Game Over from the Dose of Colors Desi X Kitty Friendcation palette and patting that on the lid just to give it that beautiful sparkle. Now just going in with some mascara, popping on eyelashes. These ones are from Cosmic Eyelashes. They are in the style Cosmo. And now I'm just going to wipe all that black fallout underneath my eye. Okay, now priming my face with the No Problem primer from Touch and Soul. And then going in with my foundation, which is from Laura Mercier. It's the Flawless Fusion Foundation. And then blending that out with my Kabuki brush. Okay, for concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer again in Almond. Just blending that out with my beauty blender, and then I'm setting that with the Fit Me Loose Powder by, my God, I'm blanking, Maybelline. It's by Maybelline, and it's in the shade Light. See guys, I still can't even talk during a voiceover. I don't know what I'm trying to prove here. Alright, for bronzer, I'm going in with the Hourglass Luminous Light Bronzer and just putting that over the face. And then I'm also going in with the Morphe Bronze Tour just to like further chisel up my cheeks. And then I am going in with Peachy Keen blush from MAC, my favorite MAC blush. Now I'm going in with black eyeliner and just tightlining my eye and my lower lash line. And then we're going to further blend that out with black eyeshadow right close to the lash line. Why do I keep making those faces? And then I'm going to take a darker brown eyeshadow and just blend that out so it's nice and seamless. Okay, for my most favorite part ever, we're going in with the Alchemist palette by Kat Von D and taking the blue shade on a small little shader brush and then putting that in the tear duct and then a little bit on the inner corner of the eyelid. I just like the way that looks. It just gives it like a very space look to it. Next, I'm going with my favorite lip combo of all time. This is the NYX Cold Brew Lip Liner. So beautiful. And then I'm going to be adding the Tarteist liquid lipstick in Salty and then just patting that in just to give it like a nice wash of color. And then I'll be going in with the KKW Beauty and Mario collab, which is the Super Nude Lip Gloss. This is the lip combo I've been wearing nonstop lately. It's so gorgeous. Alright guys, I hope you liked today's tutorial. I like how bold and glam it is. Like, it's coming down to fall now. October, you know, now's the time where you can wear these. Even though I understand we're not going anywhere, pretty much getting into a second wave, but who says you can't be glam in your living room, okay? If you are new to my channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave. Also follow me on my social media, linked down below in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.